Some of the regular maintenance that you should always perform with your blog is to make sure that all of your plugins, themes, and WordPress itself is always updated and is at the most current version of each of their components. This way that nothing conflicts with one another and everything runs very smoothly inside of your WordPress. If everything's updated, things aren't going to slow down over time. Another item of regular maintenance that you should be performing on your blog is making sure that any old, unwanted, or unused plugins are deleted and cleaned out of your plugins area. In order to do this, just simply go to your plugins page and find out any of the old ones or any of the ones that you currently don't use. You can usually find this by going on to the inactive link and seeing any of them that you don't really use and just simply clicking the delete next to the actual plugin itself. We'll ask for a confirmation and you just simply say yes, delete these files, and this way you can keep your blog running smoothly by not having to always access all of these old plugins. WordPress comes with 2 default themes, and if you've chosen a different theme for your WordPress blog, you don't need the other ones anymore. So all you have to do is go to your Themes tab under the Appearance and Navigation and go to the unwanted theme that you don't want to use anymore and click the Delete button. It will give you a confirmation to verify that you do want to delete these, and it will delete all the files out of there. This will keep your themes folder free and clear of any unwanted clutter. Some more items that you can clean out and get rid of as part of the maintenance to keep your blog running smoothly is any old media such as photos or videos, audio, or any other files that you may have uploaded that you don't really use or don't use anymore. What you can do is you can go to your media library and then hover over the one that you want to delete, and there's a delete permanently link that you can click on. It'll ask you to verify and you click OK, and this will delete this not only off of your web host but also out of the database as well. So you clean up 2 birds with 1 stone when you delete out old images and media. Another thing you can do to keep your WordPress blog running smoothly and to keep proper maintenance is to clean up your database of old autosaved posts that you don't use anymore. In order to do that, just simply go to your web host and open up your database that you have your blog installed on. Usually it'll open up through phpMyAdmin. Go to the actual post table. It usually is your table prefix followed by underscore and the word posts. Just go to that, and then it'll bring up all your posts. And what you can do is you can sort by post status in phpMyAdmin. So click on this link, and so long as it has the words draft or inherit, this is able to be deleted because it's not an active and live post on your blog. So all these items can be deleted out of your blog and clean up your database. Just make sure that nothing says publish and you should be okay. After you've selected the items you want deleted, just scroll down and click the delete icon, and it'll ask you to verify, and you click yes, and all of the items that you don't want on your database anymore will be deleted. Another regularly scheduled maintenance item that you should always do at least once to twice a year is check your blog for any dead links that may have accumulated over time, whether it be outgoing links that you no longer had linked to, or maybe just things that you may have changed here and there that were no longer active in your blog and now show up as a dead link. There are a variety of free dead link checkers all over the net, and it's really out of the scope of this video, but it is something you should definitely check out. You can go to dmoz.org and look for link management, and it will usually tell you a wide variety of link checkers for dead links. Another thing that will inevitably accumulate over time are spam comments on your blog. You have to keep these cleaned out semi-frequently in order to make sure that your blog runs smoothly. In order to do that, just simply go to the comments section in your navigation bar, go up to the link that says spam in the top, select all the spam comments that you want to delete, click the drop down box that says delete permanently, and click apply, and this will delete all the spam out of your database. Another form of regular maintenance that you should always do to your WordPress blog is to make sure that it's always backed up. One of the things that you can do first is to do a database backup. You can install a free plugin that's available in the WordPress plugins directory called WP Database Backup. Just do a search and do a standard install as usual and then activate. After you've activated, you can go to the Tools section and Backup will be available. Now, as a standard, you should always make sure that the core versions are backed up, but you always want to check for any other tables inside of your database in case any other ones were installed with your plugins, and you want to make sure that you have those. Always want to exclude spam comments, and some people do and some people don't want to exclude their post revisions. So this will only save your actual published posts. Scroll down, and then you have your choice of either saving it to the server, or downloading it to your computer, or emailing the actual backup file itself to an email address of your choice. Either way, you just need to go ahead and do those backups, and you can also schedule backups either once daily, weekly, twice daily, or once hourly, and then email that backup file to the email inbox of your choice. Also, another thing you want to do is also do the availability of the export under the tools option. This has a couple of different things, such as different author bios and things like that. One final thing you should do is always make sure that your plugins and your themes are all backed up as well onto your hard drive. This is something you don't have to do as frequently, but something you should do if you ever make a change to your theme or maybe an update to a plugin or something along those lines. Either way, just make sure you're doing regular backups of all your files and your database.